Now, let us talk about some of the basic functions of a warehouse, of a typical warehouse. Every warehouse should be designed to meet the specific requirements of the supply chain of which it is a part. I cannot have a simple warehouse in a cold storage supply chain, in a cold supply chain. That means every supply chain would have their designed or designated warehouses in which the functionality would be as per the requirement of the whole supply chain. Let us look at the typical working of a warehouse. Now, the basic functionality of a warehouse would be to receive the products or goods. Then there will be a put away strategy. Put away strategy is about order picking or material handling in a warehouse. You reserve the storage area and then you replenish it. There is a replenishment strategy as well. You pick the order and you sort it as well. Even after reserving the storage, you might not be performing the sortation. You might be collating it or adding value services and packaging, that is, doing some light assembly work or providing some other services like packaging. Or after reserving the storage, you might directly be marshalling and dispatching it. You do not require, there are goods which require sortation. There are goods which require value added activities and packaging. But there are goods which would just be stored and then just dispatched. So these are the basic functions which a warehouse performs, which is essentially true for any type of a warehouse. So students, we have seen the basic functionality of a warehouse. And of course, the additional activities which are being performed by any company, which is the requirement of any supply chain from their warehouse, that can be added in this typical functionality of a warehouse. Thank you.